What's going on, guys? This is what I'm saying. This question I guess that get asked all the time is, even at my own birthday party, I get asked this. Random strangers have no idea who I am. Ask me in Trader Joe's. They say, Mr. Phillips, what is fire? Isn't fire a substance? Is fire a liquid, a solid, a gas? No, none of these. Some argue that fire is something called a plasma, another state of matter. It's a little bit more complicated than that. It depends on what the substance is and what temperature it's being burned at and all that. I guess it can be in some rare cases. Otherwise, we treat it as energy, light energy, in fact. And as you know, you can quantify energy. Energy is measured in joules. But actually, energy doesn't have mass. It doesn't have volume. That's what makes it kind of so hard to describe energy. Can you hold energy in your hand, or like whenever you're transferring energy to an object, to something else? Say if I take this little thingy of food coloring, food dye, and throw it, it's not like I'm transferring energy to it, I'm transferring kinetic energy to it, but it's not like I'm losing, because I'm giving it energy, I'm losing mass, and giving it in the food coloring is gaining mass, as if like energy has mass, No, it's not the case. So anyway, energy, it just is. It's different forms of light, obviously visible when you can see it, like red, orange, yellow. It's obviously, it has heat, so it's emitting infrared, okay, which we actually can't see, but we can feel. So here, check it out. Check it out. Let me crank up the gas. People always wonder what this thing is. It says gas. I don't know what it is. I haven't figured it out yet. What comes out of here? Oh gosh, that stinks. It's fired up. Whoops. Uh-oh. I think I broke it.
I am caveman. I make fire. Yes, anarchy.
Let's control this. Oh, I put it out. I'm gonna pass out. So if you see the camera drop, there we go. You see that? Do you see those flickers of? Well, you can see the blue there. You can see the blue flame. All right. If you can see it, that means it's visible light. Obviously, let me touch this here. Let me put my hand under. No! There's infrared light. It's pretty hot. Flickers of yellow. It's not, the camera's not focusing on it. I'm gonna crank this gas up. All right, so let's light something on fire. And that's roaring. Paper towel. All right, in celebration of the winners of the hat contest, let's light something on fire. Don't do this at home. Don't do it at school. Check that out! Do you see that smoke? The smoke rising up? Oh gosh, that's hot. Is my shirt on fire? No. Check it out! Alright, I want to turn this off. This is chaos. Check that out. See the smoke rising? That's actually an example of convection right there. You could see it swirling around. Granted, this is hot air that's rising. Okay, air that's being heated by that burning pile of ash, which is basically just carbon soot. And hot air is rising from that. It's being heated up, becoming less dense, and it rises. And it carries with it particles of the soot and carbon and ash and whatnot. And that's the smoke that you see. That's the smoke that you see. The smoke is actually just pieces of carbon being lifted by hot air that's been heated and is rising because it's less dense. That's convection.